Alright guys, so since we have installed the backhoe assembly, I have not removed it. So this is going to be my first time removing it off of the tractor. So let's see how this goes. I got a couple blocks of wood. I see some guys, they put blocks of wood down underneath. So like with these, I was just going to put some blocks of wood underneath them. You know, see how this goes. Okay. All right, here we go. Talk about simple. Okay, so all right, so we just pulled our pins, we stuck them in here. So now we have to unhook this. All right, here's that one. Here's this one. Off real nice and easy. Hopefully they go back together nice and easy. All right. Yeah. This. Dirt in here. All right. Now I'm gonna pull this forward a little bit. All right, man, look at that. That was not actually too bad. I don't know if it's best to put these together or let them apart, because I'm not sure pressure would affect that. So since we have it here, set this thing up on. Check this out. So put them there. I'm not going to try to move anything, so I guess I'll see what it does in a day or so. Definitely not the permanent storage area. So basically what I'm doing is I took this off. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I have to put my box blade back on, which is over there, and the 3-point attachments. So I'll show you what it takes to do that also. All right, guys. So this right here is going to kind of be a little refresher for me because, well, honestly, I've never had all this stuff off. So I'm just going to try to just stick it back in here so it's in here and out of the way. I think I need to do some brush hog work, so I'll be able to get to that. Sorry. All right. I'm just going to throw this pin up in here because I'm going to need to move this in and out to get the other side off. So I'm going to pull the camera down, and I'm going to show you what was needed to do over here on this side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this clip out of this one a while, and I'm just going to use it to hold that one out over there, out of the way. All right. I'm going to grab this out. Okay. Get ready to put it on. Pull our clip off. All right. What I'm going to do is I rotate this ball just a little bit, and it allows me to get up into here. Okay. Just like this. All right. See that? Now we can get this in. Snap down into place. I already know how to take this apart because I took the other one off. So we'll pull this clip off. There we go. Make sure you don't lose your washer. Almost did. Alright, now that that's out, we can go into this right here, like that. We'll take your washer, put it back on, and then push your clip back through. All in all, not too bad. Alright. And these have these, I don't know, these weird clips you just kind of spin. They pop out. And then up you go. You go on pretty easy. See? Alright, I'm going to grab the top link here. Okay. Now this one is a little weird when you try to put it in here because these end up being in the way. So you have to drop them down all the way. Just like that. And then you can get your top link bar, put in, drop in your pin. You're officially ready to install whatever 3-point implement you have. Get lined up here, and we're going to get this box blade hooked up and start box blading. I guess that would be the best thing to say. Right guys, so we got the box blade on.